हेलो बच्चों, in exercise 12b there is no new formula is to be introduced. Formulas of exercise 12a will be utilized but in different manner. Diagrams would be given in the exercise, or according to question you will have to make the diagram. Whatever the case arises, you will have to calculate the area of the specific region given in the question. In question 1, I am reading the question. A sector is cut off from a circle of radius 21. The angle of sector is this much. Find the length of the arc and its area. Find the length of the arc and its area. Then you simply draw a circle, and its sector is having 120-degree angle like this. This angle has been given 120 degree. Radius has been given 21. Then area is to be calculated by the area formula with area. Sector angle has been given, then area of the sector is calculated by pi r square into theta upon 360. Then pi means pi, it will let it be as it is. R means 21 into 21 into theta is 120 upon 360. 0 cancelled, 12 za 3 ja. Pi value of pi is 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21 into 1 upon 3. So 7 3 ja 21, this is cancelled. 21 and 2, 21 4 ja 42, 2 4 carry. 21 2 ja 42 and 4 42 4 46. This is this much meter square. Whatever is the centimeter square is the unit of, this is the area. Now question is also asking for the length of the arc. Arc is called this much part. This is the arc only. When you calculate the total length of the circumference is 2 pi r. When you will calculate the length of this arc, this will be calculated by arc is equal to, by the same formula, 2 pi r into introducing this factor theta upon 360. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 21 into theta means 120 upon, it is 120 360. This will go 3 za 7 3 are 21, this much, and it is 12 2 za 44 centimeter. This is length. This was a simple question which I told. Now let us move some problems like little bit different. I am telling you question number 4. Question number 4, I think this is the diagram for question 4 has been given. Quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. Yes, this is the diagram. Two sectors with the centers R and S are drawn in the figure. Find the area of the shaded region. Shaded region is given this much. This is quite different figure is looking. No specific name for this. But how to calculate this area? Let us understand. Let's say question number 4. First draw the diagram. It's a rectangle like this, and one arc is going like this, another arc is going like this. This is the somewhat area given in the question PQRS. Now the dimensions have been given. 21 is PQ, PQ is 21, and QR this much is 14. Actually QR is 14. This is the radius of this quadrant circle, and this one will also be, this much will also be 14. Total it is the length 21. Now when you subtracting 14 from 21, you will get 7. 7 is the length of the radius of this quadrant. Actually what you have to do, you have to calculate area of the whole rectangle and then area of these two quadrants. You will have to subtract the area of these two quadrants from the area of rectangle. Then you will left only this area which is required. Then the work is to be done, that is area of PQR. Area PQRS, whatever the quadrant is. It is L into B. L into B, you can mention the formula, then put the value 21 into 14. Then you should multiply 41 1 ja 14, 1 carry, 14 2 ja 28, 29 centimeter square. This is area of the whole rectangle. Now you will have to subtract this quadrant areas from this. Then calculate the, you can mention this area 1 and area 2 in this way. Then area 1 will be calculated by the same formula pi r square into theta upon 360 as I mentioned in earlier question. Later on I will not write the formula, but you have to write in each of the questions. 22 upon 7 into r means the radius of this quadrant will be 14, 14 into 14 into theta means 90 upon 360. Now 90 angle has not been mentioned in the question. Actually you are concluding this quadrant angle of right angle rectangle is 90 degree each. That's why you are taking this 90. Whenever there is a case of equilateral triangle, you will have to consider 60 degree angle. This angle will be on your understanding. Whatever the diagram is given, you have to understand. Now simplify it. It is 4 ja, it will go 7 2 ja 14 and 2 2 ja 2 7 ja 7 2 ja 14 15 centimeter. Now simply A2 calculate the area of A2. A2 means this much square. Again 22 upon 7 pi r square means 7 into 7 into theta upon 360 means 90 upon 360. 4 ja 7 7 cancelled. 2 2 ja 2 11 ja 11 7 ja 77 upon 2, or rather you can 2 3 ja 6 17 2 8 ja 0.5 centimeter square. Now the actual area I am writing from here, required area. Don't say actual, but you write the required area. Required area means which has been asked in the question. Now it will be calculated by, you will have to, by inverse you can write area of rectangle minus area of first quadrant minus area of second quadrant, but I am writing here just in digit values. 294 minus addition of these two, that is 154 first quadrant plus 38.5 second quadrant. It is 294 minus, now you have to subtract this 0.5, will be 8 4 12, carry 1 5 and 3 8 9 and it is 1. Then 294 minus 192.5, it will be 0.5 left, 3 minus 2 1, 9 minus 9 0, it will be 101.5 centimeter square. Now there is a point if answer is not matching. First of all you should have confidence on yourself, and then you can cross check by calculation by the mobile or calculator, whatever. Some of the answers is coming wrong, that's why it may be wrong. Whatever, there may be chances of correction. First don't take it answer is wrong. First you do your efforts as full, then you make sure even after doing mobile calculation that it is correct. So this is the answer of the question. This question was somewhat different, how to calculate the area. In the same manner lot of questions were given. I having actually 32 questions, lot of questions are given in the question. Simply I will take one question more, and rest of the question you will have to solve, and you can ask in the class when offline classes, or random discussion could be done anyway. Now one question I should tell you more. Now question number 18 I am going to tell you. This may be helpful for you. In question number 18 diagram has been given. It's a square and one leaf is formed like this. Area of this leaf is to be calculated. Naming is A, B, C, D, and 7 centimeter square side has been given. Yes, 7 centimeter. Now this is looking quadrant. If you consider this much, this is quadrant, and this quadrant is to be calculated like this. Angle is 90 degree and this radius would be 7 degree. Yeah. अब अभी रुको, बस वीडियो कर लें फिर करते हैं. टाइम रुक जाओ, वेट करो बाहर, अभी कर लेने. Then simply calculate the area of this quadrant and subtract area of the triangle. Then you will be having this area. Actually you are going to calculate half of the area of the leaf, then you will doubling it, obtaining the whole area. Then area of leaf is equal to area of 1 upon 2 leaf. इसको area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector will be calculated by pi r square into theta upon 360 and minus area of rectangle this, that is half base into height, 1 upon 2 into b into h. Then 22 upon 7 into r square means 7 into 7 into 90 upon 360. Again this angle 90 I am taking because of the corner of square. Minus 1 upon 2 into 7 into 7. Base and height both will be the same. 7 cancelled, it is 4, 2 1 za, 2 2 za 4, 2 11 za. It is 11 7 77 upon 2 minus, it is 49 upon 2. Now you can subtract whatever is coming, 77 minus 49. It is coming 2. बस 10 मिनट 5 मिनट. Upon 2 it will be left 14. 14 centimeter square is coming half the leaf. Then total area of the leaf, total area of the leaf or required area you can say, is equal to 2 into 14. Because of why it is 2 into, because you have calculated just half the area. By just multiplying 2 you will get the complete area. Then 14 into 28 centimeter square. This is your required area. In this way a lot of diagrams have been given where it is a quadrant, which angle to be calculated, what area is to be minus, subtracted and what is added. This will depend on the, according to the question what is given. So you develop your concept and solve the exercise properly. Then this chapter 12 will end with this video. Next class I will be moving on the next topic, whatever coming next. So you complete your chapter 12. Thank you.